Hi everyone, it's Jen from practicalbydefault.com, solutions for the working homeschool mom. And today I wanted to jump on here live to share with you our latest Little Passports science expedition box. I wanted to show you what was inside. So this is the box, the size it comes in. There you go. And although I did open the top, just so it doesn't make that horrible noise, I haven't looked inside, so I'm not sure what it is about. If you don't know, Little Passports has many subscriptions, different boxes, and other products on their site. And I'll include a link in the description when I'm finished here. Just to give you an overview though, they have World Edition ages 6 to 10. And in that box, children get to explore a new country every month, and you get mailed souvenirs and hands-on activities. They also have Early Explorers, which is ages 3 to 5. And in that box, they get to discover a new world theme. So this would be like oceans or music or dinosaurs, that type of thing. They also have US edition. And so in this one, it's designed for ages 7 to 12. And you can learn about 2 new states each month. Sorry, 2 new states each month with an activity-packed state journal. And of course, the last one is the one I'll be showing you today, which is Science Expeditions. And this is for children ages 9 and up. So one of the things that I really like about these boxes is that you never know what theme you're going to get. Knowing that, though, you can get subscriptions in 3 months, 6 and 12, I believe, and you won't get a repeat. They try really, really hard. I've never gotten a repeat box yet. We've done quite a few of these boxes and really enjoyed them. So it's a really great way to fill in those gaps that people worry about with their kids. You know, you might think, well, we haven't studied this or that or whatever, and it's really kind of fun. It's a great way to break away from your regular science curriculum or to have fun during the breaks. So that's what I really like about it. Another thing I really like about these boxes is it's a great way to connect with your kids. The whole family can be involved. You can have hands-on learning fun. You can sit and talk and laugh and mess up and learn together. So it's a lot of fun. We really enjoy it. So let's see what's in this month's box, shall we? Try not to make it too loud, and I realize I forgot my scissors, so I might have to like rip it open. So this month is on balance and aerobics. I had to think, how do you say that? Yes, aerobics and balance. So it comes in a little package like this. I'm going to open it up there for you so you can see everything that comes in the bag. So the first thing that you get is like this little mini graphic novel. And it includes a letter from Sam and Sophia. So they're the 2 kids that are in the story. And they get to tell a little bit of the story. It'll introduce what the subject is to the children and kind of invite them along on the journey. Also in this little book, you'll find things like activities that your child can do, and this one is balance your body, so it's showing them different poses that they can do, and of course there's answers on the bottom. They also have extra activities, as you can see, science experiments of course, and I love this that it has materials that you'll need and then how to do them. My favorite part of these books though, I'm going to show you, is the glossary. So you can see right here, it has terms that your child may not understand, and this is really good because sometimes I find when I go to explain something that my kids don't understand, I'm at a loss for words. I'm like, how do I explain what mass is, for an example? And so it'll be all written here with like a little graphic or a little drawing to help you explain it to the child and so that they understand. So that's the graphic. Okay, so next we have, in your very first box that you get, you'll get a bag that looks like this. I should show you that. I should have showed you earlier. This one's getting kind of full because we have been storing all our boxes in it. And another thing that you will get is a lab notebook. So this comes in the very first one, and inside they have a spot for all their badges. So my kids have been sharing the badges. So this child only has 2. So each box that you get has a badge that's specific for that box. It's unique to the theme. Set that over there. And so this one looks like this. And so they'll peel that off and stick it in their lab notebook. You only get that in the first box, and each box that you get, you'll want to save some of the things that are in it for future experiments. But usually not every box is connected, but the first one is. You'll get some basic things that you'll need to keep. So that's why they give you a bag, which is great because it's, you know, you can just throw everything in there, zip it, and store it. Oh, garbage. Okay, so this is the next thing that you get. And this has all your step-by-step instructions. It will tell you exactly what's included. So this box here tells me what's included in the kit, what I need from home, which is usually basic stuff. So here you need a tape, ruler, scissors, a half tablespoon, tall surface, and a large tray. So that's pretty, you know, we have most of those things. And then there is step-by-step instructions. And if you get one with this symbol, I don't know if you can see that, it says that there's a video, and then it will give you a link and you can go online and look at the video for extra help on how to do it. So that will be on this one. And sometimes they come with quite a few experiments, and sometimes they come with like 2 or 3 big ones that take time. So what we do is we pick one day a week. It's usually Thursdays, and the kids and I gather around the table and we pull out our box and we do one experiment. And so that way our box lasts about a month. So it's pretty good. They do their regular science program through the rest of the days of the week. But one day a week we get together and we kind of meet and get to talk, and it's a lot of fun. I really like it. Plus, you know, I've forgotten most of these things from when I go to school. And you get one of these little cards for the parent to check out extra printable activities, other videos. You can kind of like expand on the box. So if you wanted to use it as a more in-depth program, you could do that too. All right. This is the next part of the kit. So you get a big bag, and in it is all the things that you saw in the sheet where it said what's included in the kit. You'll find it in here. So let's see what's in this one. There we go. All right. So this one comes with a little chart that tells us what each thing is and what you'll need them for. So it says like which experiment. I don't know what this is. It's a tube of, I'm kind of worried to open it because I'll probably never get it back in the right shape. So it's like paper. And pretty long. I'm not sure what that's for. If any of you guys have done this box and you know what it's for, you can let me know. I'm trying to roll it back up. Oh, hey, it rolled up pretty good. So there's that one. Oh, green sand. So I did notice that it said to have a a tray. You'll definitely want to do that because I can see that getting everywhere. There's a name for this. I don't know what it is. But yeah, one of those whatchamacallits. We have 2 of these. So it'll be interesting to see how these all fit together and how they will be learning about balancing and purple sand. So this is cool. I actually have a lot of these in my house because we collect paper clips and tacks and things, but not everybody would. So it's really nice that even, you know, pretty easy to obtain things are included in the box. You don't have to go hunting for them. And then string, 2 sections, and then we have another package inside. So 2 foam people, and it looks like some cutouts. And we'll take a look at this. So as I mentioned, I'll leave you guys a link in the description of this video so you can see all the different boxes they have. So we have this little guy. I don't know why this cracks me up so much. You're like, ah! Anyway, okay, I should behave. This is, oh, it's gonna unfold into cones, so maybe, I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. And so this has like a, you can see it's perforated. And then we have some black paper and a foam board. And that looks like everything. And I'm really glad you guys can't see the disastrous mess on my table that I just made. But I didn't open the sandbag, so that's good. Anyway, so that's everything in our balance kit. And we will be sharing as we do the science experiments on Instagram and here on Facebook. So please feel free to join us and comment and see how that goes. And that's all I have to share with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.